Assalamu alaikum dear audience. Today I am here to learn Jolly Phonic Reader. So, first of all, meet with characters. In our storybook, there are few characters like Bee, Rex, Inky, Farmer Green, Zack, Bean, Jess, Snake, Hattie, Tolly, Nep, Phonic, Dr. Wasp, Molly. But in our today's story, the characters that we use is Bee, Inky, Snake. Tricky word. Dear student, there is a pot of tricky words and say it with me. You, are, your, come, some, all, here, they, said, there. And today's story name is Looking for Snake. Now open your reader's book, page number 78. Dear student, look at this page. In this page, B counting some numbers. B counts to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now turn the next page. In this page, Honeybee looking something. Then she starts to look for Snake. Snake has hidden. Now turn the next page. In this page, Honeybee looking a snake in a bucket. Is he in a sandbox? Bee looks under the bucket. No, there. Turn the next page. In this page, Bee and Inky looking in a top of a tree. He up the tree. Bee flies up and looks at the tree top. No, there. Turn the next page. In this page, Bee looking a snake in a top of a shed. Is he on the top of the shed? Bee looks on the roof. No, there. Turn the next page. In this page, Bee looking under a shed. Is the under the shed? Bee looks in the darkness under the shed. No, there. Now turn the next page. In this page, Bee finding him looking around here and there. Bee lands on the ground and looks around. Turn the next page. Dear students, in this page you can see that Snake is hidden in a pot. Snake has hidden in a pot. He peeks out to look for Bee. Now student, turn the next page, page number 86. In this page, Bee listens something. Bee is still looking around. Snake pops back and keeps still. Now turn the next page. In this page, Bee, now that Snake is hidden in a pot, Bee looks. What that a flash of red? She thinks. Snake keeps as still as he can in the pot. Turn the next page. Dear students, Snake feels something hot and a Bee is hidden in a pot behind a flower. Then he peeps up from the pot again. Turn the next page. Dear student, now Honeybee wins because he finds the snake in a pot. Oops. There you are, cries Bee, pointing to Snake. Found you. Dear student, now the time of activity. There are 3 questions. Note these questions on their notebook. What game are Bee and Snake playing? Answer is hide and seek. And the question number 2 is Why does bee fly to the top of tree? Answer is to look for snake. And question number 3. Where has snake hidden? The answer is in a pot. I hope you like this video. Thank you.